I've been using those three Humsienk battery now for almost 5 months. This will be a quick review of how well they've been syncing with each other without using any communication cable. Usually, if it's going to be a sunny day, I charge the EV before work. The first inverter is outputting over 6300 watt and the second inverter is outputting around 6200 watt. That's charging the EV and powering the house at the same time. That's just a little half of what those inverter can output. I also have those three EG4 battery in the same cabinet. The first one is sitting at 12%, the second one is sitting at 18%, and the third one is sitting at 19%. I did set up communication between those three battery. I would think they would be in sync, but it's not. Now let's open the Humsienk app to see if those Humsienk server rack battery are in sync. In the Humsienk app, I press search, then I click on the first server rack battery. It is sitting at 16%. Let's go back and take a look at the second battery. Let's connect to the second battery. It is also sitting at 16%, which is great. Let's connect to the last battery. It is sitting at 15%. That's still really good. It's only off by 1% without using communication cable, but those batteries do have active balancer. Between those two batteries, you would think the more expensive one would be performing better, but the Humsienk battery is syncing perfectly without any communication cable. The only time I'm noticing the AG4 battery are in sync is only when I let it charge all the way to 100%. I think those battery get software update that might fix the issue, but that is not something I'm planning on doing. I just like the simplicity of the Humsienk battery. I hope this video was informative. Link for the Humsienk battery will be in the description with 5% off your purchase. If you like this video, you might enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.